Yo, what's up? So, I want to play with my friends, but they're like at school maybe. I have school, but I already finished it. I should do um 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 beat bounce. That looks cool. Okay. Please subscribe and like this video. And then comment to see if I pin you. Check every day to see if I can. I don't know if you can comment, but just subscribe and like, okay? Oh man, no. Oh man. Oh, let's play a different one. I want to play the wave.
Hey.
Simulator game. It's doing me down. Oh, 3 spike jump. What? How am I supposed to do that? Beep points. Yeah, let's play build a boat. Okay. I don't play Blox Fruits anymore, but I'm high level. So this build was I'm inspired by Jesse, and then I learned the tutorial from Adrianzo. So let's go look. So this is how it spirals, which I got from Jesse. Okay, let's go. Okay, first let's go fly. Look at it. It's like a serpent. Okay, now we can control normally. Uh-oh. 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 Okay. There, see? The spiral. is it not moving? Super crazy. I'm trying to turn it off. Get there. If y'all want to build this, just look on Andrew Yonzo. Okay, let's go. So I forgot what tutorial helped me build this. Mama, I'm a criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal. Criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal. Criminal. Okay, let's go troll someone. Let's go. Mama, I'm a criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal. Criminal. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. So yellow is poop and red is to explode the poop. Come on, let's go. Escape. Poopies. Ooh. Haha. Let's do this circle. So I don't have enough red because I'm free to play and I only get 2 for free. So I did it with a duplication glitch. Please don't patch this glitch, chill through. I want to be verified from Roblox, so like I could like show off my friends. Okay, please make me famous for it and follow me, okay? That's cool. Hello. Oh, I was just talking to my grandpa. Let's see which one has more power, has more fire. So they're the same. So this could be like a fire-breathing dragon. So we could make like fire-breathing dragon. That's super cool. So let's just make the head first. We're doing 15. That's a lot. Oh. was only a little space, so we had to like scale it a little. .5. Yeah, it's not gonna work. We got bouncy blocks. Okay, there's like the first time I didn't see them. Boing, 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 boing. Hiya. Where'd you go? Let's go. Right here. Yeah, no. Okay, that will be all for this video. Don't look at my photos, please, or else. Okay. Did it reset my score? No, it didn't. Okay, that will be all for this video today. And